Gonna be wading this new river with my buddy Nathan today. We've never fished here before, but we've heard that there's some good fishing to be done. So this trip was kind of out of the whim. Nathan texted me this morning and was like, hey man, are you busy? And I was like, not exactly. So then here we are, an hour away from our house, fishing this one river that has many species, but I've never fished it. So we only know a little bit of information that Nathan's friend gave us. But other than that, gonna be wading the river today. Got my wading boots on and wearing some pants just because if I fall, okay, let's see how cold the water is. Oh, that is a little chilly right there, but that's okay. What's gonna warm me up is the thought of catching some big fish. Okay, I have my phone in my pocket. Maybe I'm gonna put my phone in this little container I brought.
It's not terrible.
Yeah, you'll get used to it. That's the thing. Oh, something just flashed right there. Now what I'm throwing right now is a little popper on some monofilament tippet. We might switch to streamers later on depending on how the fishing is, but for now, we just gotta move up river. Never mind, I'm silly. We don't have that much time to fish, so we're gonna actually walk on the road and get to a spot where we know that should have some decent fish. And I got my trout net on the side of me just in case we need it. Whoa. Okay, this is some interesting climbing we're doing today. Actually, no, descending, not climbing. This is where it gets funny. Okay, it's all good. We're through. So many thorns. Ow, 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 ow. Well, abort. We came so far, and yet we can't go through. Ow, my head. Ow, my finger. Okay, let's head up. We gotta find a better way to get to the river, because this way, no go. Too many thorns, and also, we're just gonna drop off a cliff if we went all the way. Okay. Okay. Let's see.
Cross the river.
Okay, yeah, I like the idea. Water's looking very clear today. I don't see any fish right now, but they're all hiding. We're gonna catch some. Yup. All right, shimmy our way down. Careful with each step. Okay. Yep, we found good access. Oh. Fish for the adventure. Step on a rock. Just like that. Okay, we're not actually in the main stretch of the river. This is actually a little separate tributary. So Nathan's testing out the water. He's the taller one, so if he starts going under, I'm not gonna follow. I'm gonna give a little chuck right here. Oh, look at that. Hey, that's a smallmouth right there. Smallmouth, yeah. Got spooked, but there was some there was some up there. I wasn't really feeling top water, so I decided to switch to this. It's a brown streamer. There's probably a way more specific name for it that I don't know, but you guys get the point. I'm gonna work subsurface while Nathan continues to throw his big popper. Oh. Spooked a very big fish. Okay, so we know that they are hiding in these rocks. Come on, buddy. Oh, got one. I got one. Smallmouth. Little one, but it's a smallmouth. Switch his streamer, dude. Oh, man. Okay. This is harder than anything I've ever fought on a little 5-weight fly rod. No, not in the rocks. Wow, okay. This guy pulls pretty fiercely. Nate, I was going for the big one. He turned, and then this little guy just swept at it. I think streamers are the way to go, man. Can't. That's a decent one, dude. But the one right there was so much bigger.
Yeah.
Well, small guy, but I think we may have found a hidden gem, Nathan. We got hit here sometime later, but first fish of the day, not bad. Nice. There we go. There's a much bigger one. I'm gonna go catch him.
Okay, I'm going to go tie on my
Streamer, yeah. Oh, I got another follower. It's tiny, very small. Oh no, that was a small one, Good thing it got off. All right, I don't fish streamers much, y'all, if you can't already tell. Nate just like retie, and then as soon as he gets in here, you'll catch it. I mean, he deserves it, you know. He's the one that put us on this location. Dude, I can't. Oh, okay. You know, get back in the jam of it. It's just been so long since I've thrown a streamer. Yeah, it just conceals the rocks. It's all right. During the summer, when we come back here, water's gonna be warm. We can pack lightly, and we don't have to worry about. Whew. All right, which way did you go through? Just straight this way? Oh man, this is the sketchiest thing I've done in a while. All right, I'm gonna take off my camera stuff. Don't want this to get soaked. It's the last thing I want to get soaked. Everything else is okay. For those of you watching at home, never go wading in a river alone. It's very dangerous. That is why I have a 6-foot friend here with me today. All right, jump. Oh, that was a very dumb move, but it worked. That's all that matters. I can make it to this little landing right here. Okay, here we go. We did it. Yeah. Okay, this rock right here. Come here. Oh, actually, you're good to walk through if you just stay out there. But for me, I might follow you.
Oh, that's deep.
Did I just get myself stranded? Thank you for saving me. I would have tipped the other way.
You almost pulled me in.
I didn't record that. Guys, I just took the biggest stumble of all year. All right, well, I think it's too risky having this on my side. This stuff is treacherous. I'm just gonna put this all in my waterproof bag. Oh, my whole body is soaked. I took a front dive. No joke, a front dive. From this rock, see all this sediment that's kicked up? That's from me. How well can you guys hear me? You guys good? All right, let's go catch some more fish. I love how fishing YouTubers, when they take a stumble, they're always like, was I recording? They don't really care about if they lost any stuff yet, but you guys are a little wet. I think you'll do fine though. Just gotta clear the audio for you. They're loving this color. All right, I'm gonna go in this cove for a little bit. All right, try not to spook anything. Oh, I already have a fish on it. Oh, yeah, there, oh. I don't have much line to play with. Oh, there's one. Yeah, what? You've got to be kidding me. Dude, looks like a red breast. Could be a normal sunfish. See you, buddy. I'm really hoping the audio's not like totally blown out by the water for you guys. If so, I do apologize. I got to get some more sturdier legs in the water. There's one. Oh yeah. Oh, dude.
Yeah, that's
Dude.
the one that I think was looking at mine.
This is bigger than the other one.
Well, you have a useless net. How am I supposed to help you?
I think I can land it myself. Oh no, he's rubbing against the rocks. Get out there and just grab the line. I'm gonna keep him pinned. Oh, hand line that thing. Oh. All right, coming with the net.
Under me.
Oh, lift your leg. Dude, that's quality fish. Dude.
Is there?
Let's go. That's my PB. That might be my PB.
On the side. That's stupid.
Oh man, no way. All right. Yo. Oh, I'm recording. Okay. This spot, yeah, it's
pretty juicy, isn't it?
yeah. Thank you. I'll head up here. Big camera. Guys, look at that river chunk of a smallmouth. Over 1 pound easily. I'm in disbelief. This is what we came here to fly fish for. That thing hammered it. I'm like, oh yeah, it's a big one. Okay, see ya, girl. You've been stressed out enough. Thank you. A gorgeous. Oh, look at that kickoff. You know, I'm glad I wore pants today, or else I'd have so many scrapes around me, and I am caught on a tree. Well, guys, Nathan and I got a boogie at home, but I hope you enjoyed this river fly fishing smallmouth video. I had a lot of fun, but I am exhausted. Thank you so much for the view. And as always, guys, fish for the adventure.